time I listened to it, parang, nung una, kaya kasi hindi na ako makapili eh. Tapos, isa sa mga pinakamadaling i-record din since ganda lang niya, parang vibe lang siya. And the lyrics itself, sa'yo na, I'm yours. Diba? Yeah.
I'm yours. Tapos sa
Wow. Minsan kasi di ba guys, sa buhay parang, lalo na pag marami nangyayari, parang ang bilis-bilis lahat. And there are times na parang nakakalimutan mo na you've lived so many past versions of yourself. And seeing that now na parang, grabe dami ko pala talagang ginawa. Dami kong buhay na experience. And parang sa lahat na pagbabago yun, isa lang yung hindi nagbago. Sila, yung suporta nila na binibigay sa akin. It's crazy when you think about it because I've been doing this for 6-7 years now. And 6-7. Pero yun nga, until now, ito pa rin sila pumipila, gumagastos, nag-aantay sa init, sa ulan, nag-stream, nanonood, humihiyaw, walang nagbabago yan. May maalis pero may dumarating at dumadami sila. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na hindi nawala. I promise na mapapangako talaga to strive even harder and prove to you na I'm worthy of your love and support. Thank you. Love you guys. Yun. Of course, marami pa po akong gustong ibang pasalamatan bukod sa inyo. Sa family ko nandito, mga kaibigan ko, college friends, high school friends, pakita sila. Production team, XHY, production manager, Miss Nina Di Mainig, head writer, Joe Maria, Direct Richie Flores, and the whole production team. My ABS-CBN family, of course, Sir Mark Lopez, Sir Carlo Matigbak, Tita Cory Vidanes, Direct Lauren Jogi, my ABS-CBN music family, sila yung naniwala talaga sa akin. Sir Roxy Nitigan, Sir Jonathan Manalo, my Star Pop family, Sir Rox Santos and team, my ABS-CBN events family, Miss Doris Chang and team, my Star Magic family, of course, Mama Joy and Kuya Mo, ABS-CBN music promo, marketing, and digital team, Sir Jamie Lopez of I1, and of course my I1 family, Star Creative family, my Secrets of Hotel 88 family, my PBB family, the ones, Scarlet Jams, RJ Chill, my Glam Team, Bads Castor, Ryuji Shomitsu, Chris Diaz, Tian Rodriguez, Victor and Pen Shop, Coach Brendan and the besties, at syempre, maraming salamat sa inyo. Pamanalo, Babies of Brent, Mick Brent, Bresnier, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming together just to witness my very first fan con. Thank you guys so much.
Brent Manalo, and of course Brent, syempre lahat dito, they all support you. So hindi mawawala ang group photo op natin
Let's go.
with every side. Okay, start muna tayo with this side. So ang kailangan nyo gawin guys, erase nyo yung mga light sticks ninyo or yung hearts nyo. Yes, para here tonight. Are you ready to rock the stage?
Yes.
Okay, once again, Skydome, let's give it up for Brent Manalo!
Of course, for my final performance, a song that means so much to me, hopefully would mean so much to you as well. Let's go, Manay go. Maraming salamat, Skydome! Have a